with most treatments in the United States or wherever, conventional, there are so many side effects that come along with it. Can you tell us, I have not felt any side effects with this.
Right. Well, that is an advantage, especially when someone.
That is an advantage.
Yeah, that is an advantage that is helpful for people who are facing a terminal situation where they've already been through chemo and it hasn't worked out the way that they wanted it to. They may have gotten some benefit, but the side effects were so severe that they just won't do it anymore, do any more chemo. Well, that's true. So if they only have, no one knows how much time we have left on the planet, but if they only have another year, and if continuing to do chemotherapy means that they're going to be sick and feeling awful for the rest of that year, then that's a tough decision to make. But if they come to a clinic where at least the treatments, there's no side effects, then they feel better, and in many ways, and then they can even if the cancer still advances and grows, they're facing a terminal situation, at least they've had a year of life that is functional. It's not a year of life debilitated and sick and tired. They have a year of life that's functional. They may be back to work for most of that year. They may be spending time with their family or traveling. So there's advantages, so I don't fault anyone who decides for whatever reason that they do not want to continue to do any more chemo or anything like that. That's a personal decision that they need to make. But we don't encourage patients not to do chemo, quite the opposite. But certainly there are situations where patients of their own choosing, because of their experience, don't want to deal with that. So the side effects with the treatments at the IAT are very mild very mild in comparison.
Maybe just a little tired.
Yes, there are some of the vaccine treatments can elicit a very strong immune response, and some of those immune responses can be anything from a fever type reaction to localized pain or irritation at the vaccination site. But some of those are for some of the very specialized vaccines that we offer to some patients. The general treatment that we offer is designed not to stress the immune system excessively, more to build the immune system up and strengthen it.